Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make tacos in the oven. First, gather all your ingredients like ground beef, taco shells, and your favorite toppings. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, brown 1 pound of ground meat in a skillet over medium heat. Once cooked, drain any excess fat to ensure your tacos aren't greasy. This preparation sets the stage for perfectly crispy and delicious oven-baked tacos. Now it's time to season your meat and assemble the tacos. Add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water to your cooked ground meat, stirring until well combined. Next, arrange about 12 hard taco shells upright in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This method keeps them stable for filling. Carefully spoon approximately 2 tablespoons of the seasoned meat mixture into each shell, ensuring an even distribution for every taco. With your tacos assembled, it's time to bake them to perfection. Place the baking dish with the filled taco shells into your preheated oven. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the shells are crispy and the filling is thoroughly heated. Use tongs to carefully remove the hot tacos from the oven. Now, it's the best part. Add your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, crisp lettuce, fresh salsa, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your delicious, easy oven-baked tacos. Don't be afraid to get creative with your oven tacos. You can easily customize them by using different fillings like seasoned chicken, black beans, or roasted vegetables. Try adding a variety of cheeses, a dollop of guacamole, or a squeeze of lime for extra flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching, and happy taco making!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.